Namaste. Welcome to easyayurveda.com. I am Dr. Janardana V. Hebbar. Today let us make ashwagandha oil used for treatment of loss of muscle mass, weak muscles, lean body weight. It helps to improve muscle bulk and healthy body weight. So this oil is used for massage. The reference is taken from Bhava Prakasha Karsha Rogadikara. It means the reference of ashwagandha oil is mentioned in the chapter explaining the treatment for lean and weak body with very less muscle and fat tissue. The Sanskrit verse of this oil is as below: Ashwagandhasya kalkena kwathe tasmin payasyapi siddha tailam krushanganam abhyangad anga pushtidam. So let us know the meaning of this shloka. Kalkena, a paste is prepared from ashwagandhasya, the root of ashwagandha. Tasmin kwate, a decoction or kashaya is made with ashwagandha. Payasya api, it is added with cow milk. Siddha tailam, an oil is cooked with these ingredients. Abhyangat, when this oil is used for massage therapy. Krishanganam, massage is done on weak and debilitated patients. Anga pushtidam, it improves body nourishment and muscle strength. Let us make this oil now. So here is the ingredient list that we are using. This is slightly different from the traditional ingredient list. We choose this because the quantity of oil that we are taking for this preparation is just 200 ml, and if we go with the traditional proportions, then the final oil yield will be lot less. So this is the proportion that we are following. If you want to follow the traditional proportion, then please follow this below table. So these are the traditional proportions. So let us go ahead and prepare the ashwagandha kashaya first. We are taking 25 grams of root powder of ashwagandha, mixing it with 400 ml of water and boiling and reducing it to 100 ml. We are not covering the vessel with the lid, and the flame should not be very strong. It should be mild. While boiling the kashaya, we are constantly stirring the contents. Next, we will take ashwagandha powder and add a little water to it and make it a paste. Ashwagandha kashaya is boiled and now ready. Now we are filtering it and storing it in a cup. Take sesame oil in a vessel and add ashwagandha paste, milk and ashwagandha kashaya to it. Start heating. We need to continue to heat them till all the water content from it completely evaporates. For a 200 ml oil, it may take around 60 minutes. In the beginning, the whole mixture looks like a curdy, dirty mix. Nearing to the end, the oil starts separating out from the paste of ashwagandha. Now we are nearing to the end of this preparation. The aroma of ashwagandha starts becoming more and more appreciable. The color also is turning to bright yellow. The taste is also more appreciable. These signs are explained as Gandha Varna Rasotpatti. In the beginning of oil cooking, there will be no frothing. Nearing to the end, there is mild frothing. It is called as Phenodgama. At the end of the procedure, there should not be any moisture left in the oil. It should be completely water free. This is tested by putting a little bit of paste from inside the oil onto the fire. If you do not hear chit-chit sound, it means that the oil cooking is complete. Now we can stop heating immediately. If you hear chit-chit sound, then it means that there is some moisture is still left in the oil. Continue heating and keep on testing the oil till the paste put on fire does not make any sound. So here we put the paste on fire. There is no chit-chit sound coming from it. So we stop heating the oil and filter the oil while it is still hot. Remember that we have to filter the oil when it is still hot. Now our ashwagandha oil is ready. From the initial amount of oil that we took, the gingerly oil. When compared to the final quantity of ashwagandha oil, there can be 5 to 15% loss in quantity. It is normal because some amount of oil will be lost while cooking, filtering, etc. So how to use this ashwagandha oil for massage? You can apply this oil onto your body 30 to 120 minutes before bath every day. You can apply this oil in small quantities ahead of your exercise, gym or yoga schedule, but please be aware that your hands and legs may become a bit slippery due to the oil applied. You can apply a few drops of this oil onto your forehead and feet while going to sleep. This makes you sleep lot deeper. You can use this oil for full body massage as well. Benefits are improvement in strength in muscles, bones, joints and ligaments. This ashwagandha oil is especially useful for massage in mothers soon after delivery. It helps to strengthen uterus and muscles of lower abdomen and legs. It is also useful in paralysis and muscle wasting patients. As per the shloka, this is indicated for external application only, hence better to avoid oral intake. As such, this oil is good for usage for all people, but seek your doctor's advice before trying this or any other Ayurveda product. Once you prepare the oil, you can store it in airtight containers for about 16 months and use it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Have a good day. Namaste.